never thought that I would find comfort in discomfort, but hang with me because I will expand on that. Prior to my 2016 breast cancer diagnosis, I was an avid runner. I was participating in 150-mile plus relay races through the night, past the baton style, and it felt like immediately upon my diagnosis that began to erode away. I went from running for the therapeutic benefits to walking for survival. It took all I had to walk across the room to get medications, food, beverages. My return to running, especially in the 6 years of medically induced menopause, and my return to distance running in the 2 years since, has been nothing short of a slow climb out of a deep hole. In the midst of that, and several years ago, I was fortunate to build a wonderful relationship with an amazing company called Prairie. They design and make both sports bras and post-surgical bras using only skin-safe materials. And at this moment, I'm wearing the Hugger Vita, which was my very first Prairie bra. But getting back to finding comfort and discomfort. In my return to running, my mind has told me to stop a million times. The self-doubt has felt inescapable at times. But for the part of my body that has experienced tremendous disease and amputation, to feel safe, supported, and secure in a garment, there's comfort, there's confidence rebuilding. There is a reminder that through the tough of it all, I am still here. I can do this. I am doing this. Thank you, Prairie, for supporting not only me, but also many of us here in the breast cancer space, both during Breast Cancer Awareness Month and also year-round. You guys are the best.